What's up guys, welcome back to What's Inside Family. Today is going to be a tutorial on the different cameras that we use. And we just bought some new cameras and I'm super excited because they're the fanciest cameras that we've ever owned. So you want to start a YouTube channel, which camera should you use? First let me tell you, if you have a smartphone, that camera can be good enough to start a YouTube channel. You don't need to get super fancy. A couple of things that we use. GoPro Hero 6. This has been a good camera. This one shattered, we threw it out of a helicopter. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. We take this one around when you just need like a smaller camera, sporting events and arenas. Sometimes they don't let me take my big camera in, and so this is kind of like my sneaky one.
I am very sneaky, sir.
I see that.
The main camera. This one right here is the Sony AX53. 53? This one's the 33. This one's the 33. The one that I'm filming on right now is the AX53. This does have a microphone on top and it's like 5.1 channel surround mic, but it picks up everything. Like the heater just went on in here. If I just had this on rather than this microphone, you would be hearing it so much louder than you are right now. And I'm one of the only YouTubers I've seen out there that uses this camera. It looks kind of like a soccer mom camera. The things that I like about it, it has a killer optical zoom. If I'm at a sporting event, if we remember we went to the World Series, I was able to zoom from the suite clear down onto the field and get shots of players. Super great. When I move the camera, this will automatically stabilize itself. Like you can see how this moves right here. If you're vlogging, you can like hold it out and you can see that it moves for you and protects you a little bit. All right, little guy. Did a pretty good parking job. It's a wide enough lens that I can capture myself and it doesn't feel like you're like with my face, like you wouldn't want to watch a vlog if I was this close, right? This is still going to be my on-the-go vlogging, most important camera that we take around. Hopefully that was helpful. That was a lot, but these are the cameras that we use. I try to shoot at 4K 60. I know those filmmakers are like, you need to shoot 24 frames per second because that's what movies are shot in and that's what the natural eye looks like. I don't really do that stuff, and so I just want to see a crisp shot every time. But now, finally got it. This is not my camera. Looks like this is the wrong box. I'm trying to see if this is like the Elon Musk one that I ordered. No, this is not a camera. This is just an extra fire extinguisher I ordered for the house. This is the real unboxing. What do we got here? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here's what we've got in the box. Professional windsock. Yeah. Woo, woo. Ready. Lumix GH5. Shoots in 4K, 60 frames per second. Ooh, Lumix GH5. Now, some of you that know cameras really well might ask, why are you going with the GH5? They just came out with the GH5S recently. Wouldn't that be the smart one to get? The answer to that is no. No. There's one big thing that I don't like about the GH5S. This GH5 has OIS, or optical image stabilization. The GH5S does not have that. Legit filmmakers that make movies they have these giant, really fancy, expensive gimbals. They'll have the camera sitting on the gimbal and then they'll be running with it and the mechanical hardware will be stabilizing the camera. If I'm holding it out, if I'm riding a skateboard, if I'm running and I'm holding this, it should be able to stabilize my shot rather than having it be shaky. I'm not a camera guy. A lot of you kids and a lot of people watching might be like, well, this camera looks so fancy. You have to have different lenses for it. I got a 12 by 35. I have no idea what that means. And I got a 7 by 14. I have no idea what that means. We also got a fancy recording microphone. Sennheiser. This room right here has been our like makeshift filming room, but no longer. The lighting will be better. They'll have more room to destroy stuff. This room is so tiny that Lincoln and I are kind of stuck. I will let you know what I think about this camera. After trying for the last 6 months, trying people's cameras when I'm around them, this has been the one that I've been the most impressed with. Just watch, like next week, Sony or Canon's gonna announce some awesome camera that's like everything you've ever wanted. If you want to be a YouTuber, you don't have to go spend a bunch of money for cameras. You just need to be able to tell a story and have fun and be authentic and real. If you'd like to see more YouTube tip type videos, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to share some of those. Or if you just want us to show hamster videos and fun videos of our life, then we'll do that too. This is what I'm excited about. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah.